Unlock the power of collaborative coding by bringing your favorite GitHub projects directly into Visual Studio Code. And let's get started. First, with Visual Studio Code open, you'll need to access the command palette. You can do this by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus P on Windows or CMD plus Shift P on Mac. In the command palette, start typing git clone repository. You should see an option appear. Select it. Now, a prompt will appear asking for the repository URL. Head over to your GitHub repository page and copy the HTTPS clone URL from the green code button. Paste this URL into the prompt within Visual Studio Code and press Enter. VS Code will then ask you where you'd like to save the repository on your local machine. Navigate to your desired project directory using the File Explorer and select the folder where you want to store this cloned repository. Click Select Repository Location. Once you've selected the location, Visual Studio Code will begin cloning the repository. You'll see a progress indicator. And soon, all the files from your GitHub project will be neatly organized in the VS Code Explorer sidebar. And just like that, your GitHub repository is now cloned locally within Visual Studio Code, ready for you to start coding, making changes, and pushing them back to GitHub seamlessly. Happy coding!